So guys, in December of last year, 2018, this channel hit 10,000 subscribers, which was an absolutely insane milestone for me. I never thought I'd reach 10k, and it took about 2.5 years to get there, which some people might think, well, that's quite a long time, but I actually think that's pretty good going. But anyway, fast forward 12 months from last December when we hit 10k to this December, and we've hit 20,000 subscribers, guys. We've doubled the amount of subs on this channel, which is absolutely crazy, and of course is all thanks to you guys. So I just wanted to make this video to say a big thank you to every single one of you that has subscribed, left awesome comments, all of that good stuff. Really appreciate it, and you guys are what make this channel. Also, while I remember, I'm going to be doing a Q&A soon, guys, because I've not done one in ages. So if you've got a question for me, feel free to drop it in the comments down below, and I'll feature your question in the Q&A. Now, just going back to the channel, at the start of 2019, I sort of made a commitment to myself to put more effort in with YouTube and make more content, because 2018 was not very good. I only made about 10 videos. Whereas this year, we've produced around 50, which is definitely an improvement. I think it's about on average 1 a week. And clearly that extra effort has made a difference because the channel has doubled in subscribers. So yeah, it's progress. Now, I've tried to engage more with you guys this year as well, tried to reply to as many comments as possible, because I've noticed that YouTube is very community driven. For example, when somebody leaves a comment on a video and I reply to it, I'll notice that exact same person leave a comment on a future video, and you kind of get this back and forth thing, which is really cool and is something that is fairly unique to YouTube as a platform. I've also tried to experiment with different types of content this year. For example, I did a YouTube community poll to see what type of videos you guys wanted to see, and you said you wanted to see setup vlogs where I kind of do videos where I upgrade the setup and the PC and things like that, non-scripted videos. Now, to be honest, I'm not as confident doing those types of videos, guys, because I've been so used to doing like scripted reviews where I can do everything perfectly and everything is kind of written down for me and everything. But yeah, I have tried to experiment, and it seems like, funnily enough, although those setup vlogs and stuff aren't as professional as, say, a scripted review, those are the videos I seem to get the most engagement on with you guys, which makes sense because it's just me being me. So yeah, it's been interesting to experiment with the different types of content, and I'm hoping to expand upon that in 2020. Now, 2020 is just around the corner, guys, and I've started thinking about some of the goals that I want to achieve next year. One of them is to hit 50k by the end of 2020, so we'll see how that goes. And the other goal is to upload at least 100 videos, which is on average about 2 a week, which would be double what we did this year. So yeah, it's going to be exciting, guys, and I'm looking forward to producing some more content for you. I've got some new filming gear as well, guys. I'm currently filming on the Panasonic GH5, which is a massive upgrade from the G7, because the problem with that camera was it didn't have any in-body image stabilization, and it also had basically non-existent autofocus as well. It just sucked, which made it very difficult to make videos like vlog type videos where I'm just showing you guys stuff, because it wouldn't track me properly, and I couldn't exactly handhold the camera because it was way too shaky. Whereas this one is much better because, yeah, I can just pick up the camera, handhold it whenever I need to, it'll focus on me, and don't have to worry about it. So yeah, upgraded some of the gear, got some new lights as well, and switched a bit of the studio around. I'll have to, in fact, give you guys a studio tour at some point soon, so I can show you everything. So once again, guys, thank you for 20,000 subscribers. That is a crazy milestone, and I'm looking forward to next year, the next decade, in fact. Just before I go, guys, remember to drop us a comment below with a question for the upcoming Q&A. With that being said, hope you guys have an awesome week. I'll catch you all in the next one.